Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix 0x8024002d Windows update error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting Windows update error 0x8024002d, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. The first option is you have to just open the CMD, just type on search menu, then type CMD, then right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. You have to copy paste one of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can see this is the command, just copy it, right click on it, top of the command prompt window, click on edit, then click on paste. Then hit enter, then click on OK. After that you need to type the second command, sfc space /scan now, then hit enter. It will take approx 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After completion of this, just close this window, then click on start menu, then click on settings, then search here troubleshoot. You can say troubleshoot setting, click on this, click on other troubleshooters. Here you can see Windows update. You have to just click on run, and it will detect whatever problem is there with your Windows update. It will fix automatically. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows update error 0x8024002d. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.